Hey, if you have a Wix website and you want your business to show up in the Google Map Pack, this video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to fix your Wix homepage so Google trusts your Google Business Profile and ranks you in the top 3 spots. These 3 businesses get 80% of all calls. If you're not there, you're invisible, you ain't getting the business. Hey, so I'm Billy D. Dunley. I grew up in a trailer park. They called me trailer trash. I had a struggling local business. I taught myself to get on the Google Map Pack because I had to survive. Then I did it again and again and again in multiple locations. Eventually, I sold it all for 7 figures. Now I help local businesses like yours get in the Map Pack, get more Google reviews, more calls, more customers, and make more money. Now, here's what most people don't understand. It's not your website that gets you on the Map Pack. It's your Google Business Profile. Almost every local SEO guru gets this wrong. They build websites. I specialize in Google Business Profile, and that's a huge difference. I'll tell you right now, I can't fix every jacked up website out there. 95% of all websites I look at are just sucky. Sorry. They're not going to get you on the Map Pack. I know a lot of local businesses can't afford me. I get it. Hey, the economy is tough right now. You're hurting. So I made this video to show you step by step how you can fix the SEO on your Wix homepage the right way, so your website sends Google the exact trust signals it's looking for to get you on the Map Pack. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what changes to make on your Wix website so your Google Business Profile ranks higher, you get more calls, and you grow your business without having to move to WordPress or GoHighLevel. Hey, if you don't have a Wix website, you're going to want to watch this video anyway. I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get your business on the Map Pack. So if you want to get more calls and make more money, be sure to stay until the end as I walk you through step by step how to set up your Google Business Profile and your website so you get more calls every week, make more money. You'll learn how to turn around your business fast. So let's dive in. I'm going to cover all these steps now before we go and dive into the Wix website builder. You have all the information you need to know what we're covering when we get to the Wix website. Step 1. Understand the goal. Your homepage is your Google Business Profile landing page. Its only job is to make Google trust your Google Business Profile. Google doesn't care how pretty your website looks, whether you have a nice logo or brand. The Google Business Profile is what gets you in the Map Pack, not your website. Step 2. Set your homepage focus. Your homepage, or your Google Business Profile landing page, must focus on 2 things. Where you do it, that is the city where your Google Business Profile is registered, and what you do, your main Google Business Profile category. Give you a couple examples. Athens, Georgia, plumber. Dallas, Texas, pressure washing service. Phoenix, Arizona, acupuncture clinic. Step 3. Fix the title tag. The format has to be your city and your Google Business Profile main category. Example, Mesa, Arizona, air conditioning repair. Step 4. Fix the meta description. Include the city, your Google Business Profile main category, and a call to action. Example, Mesa air conditioning repair. Fast, reliable service. Call now for expert AC repair near you. Now, step 5. Update your H1, your header 1. You need to update. Include your city name and your Google Business Profile category. Example, Mesa, Arizona, air conditioning repair experts. Best rated, Dallas, Texas, pressure washing service. Step 6. Optimize 50% of all your headers. Your H2s, your H3s. You don't need H4s, H5s, H6s. Just stick with H1, H2. There should only be one H1 per page, H2 and H3. At least half of your headers must include your city, your Google Business Profile category, or both. Example, Trusted Mesa, Arizona AC repair and maintenance. Step 7. Embed your Google Business Profile map. Add your Google Business Profile map to your homepage. This helps Google connect your site to your Google Business Profile listing. Step 8. Link correctly. In your Google Business Profile, make sure the website button links directly to your homepage. This is critical for Google's trust signals. Step 9. Stay local. Don't target nearby bigger cities on your homepage. Rank your own city first. Then build location pages for around the city. Example, if you're in Mesa, don't put Phoenix in your homepage title tag or H1. Stick with Mesa. Step 10. Don't move from Wix. I have a lot of clients with Wix websites. I get asked all the time, should I move my Wix website to WordPress or even GoHighLevel? The answer to that is a big no. Big no. Okay? I have plenty of clients that are on the map pack of Wix websites. You move your website to a different builder, there's a good chance Google's going to ding you. So don't do it. Okay? You'll be changing your IP address. You go to the back of the line, be forever before you get your ranking back. Don't do it. Instead, just optimize your homepage. In this video, I show you step by step how to do it. Wix websites can rank on the map pack. I do it all the time. Moving to WordPress or GoHighLevel can actually hurt your rankings. Focus on optimizing your current Wix homepage first. So I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix website's local SEO for your homepage and show you how to get your local business on the map pack. First, you want to go to your Wix editor. Click Edit Site. Wait for the builder to load. Okay, once the builder is loaded, you're going to fix the title tags and meta descriptions first. Go to the top left corner of the builder, click Manage Pages. Next, click the page you want to change. You'll see 3 dots. Click those. A pop-up will appear. Go to SEO Basics and click it. Now you can edit your title tags and meta descriptions. For the title tag, it should include where you do it plus your main Google Business category. Then a short description of your benefits, and a call to action. After that, close these tabs. Next, we're going to do changes to the headers, H1, H2, and H3. Start with the H1. It should be the first section of your homepage. The H1 should include where you do it plus your main Google Business category. Click this and you'll see Design and Style options. Make sure it's set to header 1. You can change it to header 2, header 3, or header 4, but you want header 1 at the very top. It should only be one heading, one per page. Paste your text there. Next, edit the first paragraph under H1. It should include where you do it plus your main Google Business category. Change that text now. Now we have our first section, H1, and the text paragraph under it. Next, move to the other sections for the H2s. H2 and H3 headers should make up 50% of the headers on your page. You must include where you do it, or the main Google Business category, or both. Click the header you want to change. You'll see it labeled as Heading 2. You can switch it to Heading 3, Heading 4, Heading 5, but we want Heading 2. Then edit the content under the Heading 2. Then edit the paragraph under the H2. Should include where you do it or your main Google Business Profile category. Update the text now. Then move to the next section. And then the H2 here. It should say H2 followed by the content paragraph. Check your spacing. Then go to the next section and update that one. Change it, then paste the new text. Click OK to save. Okay, now we have our H1s and H2s. The next one should be an H3. Change it to H3. You also want a button here. Since we already have a button, copy and place it here. That's it for the sections in the H1, but now let's go down to the footer. You're going to add the Google Business Profile map and the business hours. So enter the correct address, place it here, then add the map. It should be embedded. Click Embed, then Embed again. And place it right here into the Embed code. Click Update and it'll refresh. Close the window. Make the map bigger and add the logo by uploading an image here then add the address. Right click the copy, then paste it. Change this to your phone number. And add your social media links. Go to the social, then bars, and pick the style you want. Click this one. Select this one. Go to the title and add the hours of your company. That's it. Your footer's done. You now have the map pack, working hours, correct address, phone number, and social media. So I'm going to show you how to add your schema markup on your pages. First, you're going to go here at the top left corner of your Wix Builder, click Home, and then Manage Pages. You'll see the pages you have on your website, and then click these three dots on the page that you want your schema markup to be added on, and then click on Settings, and then click on Advanced SEO. After that, click Structured Data Markup, then click on Add New Markup. After that, you're going to paste your code, your schema markup here. Should be in JSON LD format. Then we're going to name our schema markup. We're going to name this home page. Click Apply, and there you go. That's how you add schema markup on your Wix website. Now you know the exact steps to update your Wix website and get your local business on the Google Map Pack. All right, tribe, as always, if you want to learn how to get more calls, more reviews, make more money fast, be sure to check out my other videos. Because no one is teaching it this way. I give you real insider secrets, the stuff other guys don't even understand. You won't find this anywhere else, guaranteed. Here's the best part. It works. So check out my other videos. Let's get your business more Google reviews on the Map Pack where 80% of all calls go. Billy D. Dunley here, and before you go, be sure to hug your spouse, tell them you love them, hug your kids, tell them you love them too. That's why we do this for our families, so they can have a better life than we do. Okay? Hey, thanks for watching. Now go take some action. Get your business on the Map Pack. All the stuff I taught you here, it's easy to do. Go do it. Let's get you rocking and rolling. Let's get you more calls. Thanks for watching.